And the conditions are perfect. No dust on the road. I got Lambert. We're all set up here and we're going to blue skies. I'm gonna see if we can fish some fish. Yeah. As I'm driving around, I'm noticing all the potholes have yellow around them. And I'm like, why are they circling all the potholes with yellow? And I mean every one of them. And then I realized, no, these potholes have yellow around them because they were once full of water and pollen was sitting in them. So no, they're not gonna fill them. Yay, let's go. Blackwell Lake is a small remote lake located northeast of Kamloops on rough roads. Wow. As you travel beyond the main Roche Lake area towards Blackwell Lake, you climb onto the higher Thompson Plateau. Consulted my new chat GPT. No, I'm using now Gemini because everything I have is Google. And he said to come out this way. Roche Lake is over there. And look at what's happening in Kamloops. Dum, dum. But we're that way. Oh, that way. Yeah, I'm suntanning. This is Blackwell Lake. Blackwell Lake is one of the quieter backcountry trout lakes in the Roche Lake Thompson Plateau area. Unlike Roche Lake, it receives relatively light fishing pressure because it's a little farther off the main road. If it clears up, we'll take the drone for a flight. But look over there. It's a rock. I thought it was a boat. Yeah, this is going to Blackwell Lake. Imagine how hard it was to get in here. The road is literally all this. I'll show you on the way out. My feet too made it though. Mosquitoes and lots of moose poop. Should be good fishing. That was rough road, Blackwell Lake. First turn to the right. And deeper. To the camp area. Let's explore. Well, that looks rather mucky. We'll have to come back, and there's no way around it. But man, this lake is isolated. There's no one on this lake. Just me. Blackwell Lake. It's actually quite muddy back there too. I'll show you when I get there. But I left my prints. I was here. You should see the moose prints back there, I'll show you. Yep, I went through there. That's where I was over there. I don't have the right hiking shoes. But I got my feet. Look at the boys that came through here and cut all this so we could come through. There's my feet. Here we go. That'll be moose. That'll be me. And that's where I went fishing. My fishing net. Got my fishing rod. We got Blackwell Lake. Forecasts and no bites. Down there. And up there. We got it. After no bites, I thought to head home, but you know what I just thought? I brought the drone. I'm gonna head back and drone Blackwell Lake. So this is pretty cool how all the drone and the goggles fit in here. Now we're gonna explore out there. Here we go. Got the drone. Let's go. Surrounded by lodgepole pine, spruce, and open meadows, the Thompson Plateau here is full of moose, mule deer, black bear, loons, bald eagles are commonly seen throughout the area. For ATV drivers, Blackwell is a good destination because there are numerous logging roads and trails connecting Pratt Lake, Todd Lake, Pond Lake, and Blackwell. The riding is mostly rolling terrain rather than technical mountain trails with plenty of viewpoints, small lakes to explore. Blackwell Lake is a managed trout lake. Troll with a small wedding band, spinner tipped with a worm, black or olive leeches, crominids under an indicator, small Gibbs croc or Ford fender setups early in the season. That there is Pond Lake. There's a small informal camping area. If you enjoyed this adventure, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to Mountain Air Adventures. Okay, here we go. That wasn't bad at all. Next time I know I can do it with one hand. Okay, let's go. This is bumpy. Nice and slow. See what I mean? But there's a pretty meadow over there. Let's go. My bad, the last kilometer into the lake is a bit technical. Okay, two hands. Thanks for coming along, and we'll see you in the next mountain air adventure.